Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to adjust or reduce or increase the amount of hardware reserve RAM in Windows. So basically, hardware reserve refers to a portions of your RAM reserved by the hardware components and BIOS slash UEFI firmware to work properly. Hardware reserve memory is not available to the operating system, which could reduce the system performance if too much of it is reserved. And primary causes are incorrect system configurations and outdated driver. Kung paano ba natin to i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to change maximum memory in both options. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on start menu and then select mo lang dito yung run. So click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa run at dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na msconfig. So just type this command keyword msconfig, that is one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na and ganito yung makikita mo na system configurations, so dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung boot. So BOOT, so itap mo lang yan. And next step ay makikita mo dito yung advanced options, so i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa advanced options, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-uncheck dito yung maximum memory. So kapag na-check yung box na maximum memory, dapat naka-uncheck yan. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to configure virtual memory. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung view advanced system settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na itong system properties, so dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung advanced. And under dito sa performance ay makikita mo dito yung settings, so i-click mo lang yan. And pop up itong performance settings. So ang next step ay dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced, so click mo lang yan. And then under dito sa virtual memory, so kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung change, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa kanyang virtual memory, so kailangan natin itong i-untick or uncheck natin tong automatically manage paging file size for all drivers, so uncheck mo yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung custom size, so isik mo lang tong circle na yan. And then next step, if you have 8 GB RAM, your initial size would be 1024 times 8 times 1.5 equals 12,288 MB. So dito sa kanyang initial size, ang ilalagay natin dito ay 12,288 MB. So it would be 1024 times 8 times 1.5 equals 12,288 MB. And then dito naman sa kanyang maximum size would be 1024 times 8 times 3 equals, ang lalagay natin dito is 24,576 MB. Alright, so your maximum size would be 1024 times 8 times 3 equals 24,576 MB. And then after dito ay kailangan mo lang click dito yung OK. Alright, and the next step, so close lang natin yan at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to reduce the hardware reserve RAM in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.